Well, I say we have a full table of things that we need to get to because it is tis the season to get you set for holiday entertaining and gift giving. And who do we turn to? Pay Chen.
This one.
Yes.
Let's get started.
Okay.
So, for your holiday entertaining, you've got time to start planning.
Sure.
And this year, Metro wants you to be the merrymaker. So whether you're hosting or you're the guest, bringing things that will spread joy and also just delicious things, right? So everything you need for your entertaining meal. So for example, we want to think about like high value packed items or value price items as well. So I've got, for example, the Irresistibles frozen popcorn shrimp in the value pack. Great appetizer to keep in the freezer to feed a crowd. Absolutely. I knew you would do this. We always have to be ready. I also love, for example, you can ask the butchers for advice and for custom cuts. We've got a great prime rib roast here. Add some beautiful veggies as a side.
Prime rib, that's fabulous.
You can feed more friends and family, and this way you can get ready to be the merrymaker at your holiday meal. Also, if you're a guest, think about bringing things that are ready to serve. So beautiful kielbasa and cheese tray, for example. I also love, as a guest, to bring something like a gingerbread house kit. They have ones that are pre-built, so you can just decorate. There's also the ugly sweater kit. So these are things that are really fun to bring and contribute as a guest. And then this year, you know what, with Metro, everyone can be a merrymaker.
Awesome. What's this big contraption here?
Well, if you are the person who loves to cook in your home, you might want to add this to your wish list. This is the Black & Decker French door air fry toaster oven. You've got the easy one-hand opening. It's nice and sleek. It also is really great and compact, so it combines convenience and air fry technology. And it's got 12 preset functions. So you can air fry, you can bake, you can roast, you can toast. There's a pizza function. So all of this you can do in one countertop appliance. Super handy, and it's available at Canadian Tire, so a really great gift idea for the person who loves to cook.
Amazing. Okay, ideas when you're going somewhere, and like, what do you want for appetizers?
So I love this. So who doesn't love a slider? They're a hit at parties. Great easy meal as well. King's Hawaiian rolls I love because there's a touch of sweetness, soft and fluffy texture, perfect for all of your sweet and savory holiday recipes. Also great, of course, to eat on their own, right? Like just a little snack. And everything is edible, and it's time for your lunch. So I've got these mini baked ham sliders, really easy. Ham, cheese, your favorite condiment. I've got mustard. I made them in a tray bake, so that's really simple and fast to prepare. And then you can slice them up, serve them, and you can also use your holiday leftovers, for example. So you can, as I mentioned, enjoy them from the bag or for your favorite recipes.
So fresh.
And of course, if you want to find them, look in the grocery store for the bright orange bag.
Okay. Holiday cookies, holiday baking.
I'm a baker, so oh yeah, I love baking for the holidays, and I did. And I like to, you're like, you're gonna trick me here. So I love having Gailey butter, and I love gifting edible treats. So cookies, granola, these are all things that I love to give. Put them in little tins, little bags, what have you. And Gailey Foods is actually 100% Canadian-owned dairy cooperative. I love using the Baker's Gold as well. It's 84% milk fat. It's churned to a European standard, so it's richer. Your baked goods are flakier. And I just think it's a great way to, share really delicious things with friends, family, and your community, for example, over the holidays. And you can plan ahead. Like a lot of your cookie doughs, you can make, freeze them, and then bake them as you need. That, for example, is an icebox cookie. You can freeze that dough and then just slice it and bake it.
Last one.
Okay, so when it comes to host and hostess gifts, for example, you can find great things at Shoppers Drug Mart. This time of year, they've got really wonderful gift sets. So this, for example, is the Modern Gourmet Cocktail Mix Set. 12 holiday-inspired mixes. And how great is this to bring to someone's home for like a host or hostess gift?
I like that one. I like the hot sauce one below it.
This is the World Traveler hot sauce set. So for the person who likes a little bit of heat, for example. And also when you have those other extra people to add to your gift list, like your kids' teachers, the bus driver, maybe the dog walker, there's lots of really great things like these little holiday mugs with the little cocoa mixes. And while you're at Shoppers Drug Mart, of course, your holiday gift wrap, cards, all of that. And don't forget that you can earn your PC Optimum points as well. So look for the Modern Gourmet sets too.
Did we get to everything?
I think we did.
CHCH.com/morninglive. Thanks, Pay Chen. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.